So I just fixed Mr. Zeke's water over there, and I put ice cubes in it because he likes ice cubes. So now I threw it, his mom threw an ice cube on the floor, and this is what he's doing. What are you doing, buddy?
What the hell is wrong with you?
I'm letting them work it out.
By killing each other? Preston! Wyatt, stop it! Preston! Apologize to your brother. Just take my iPad. Preston! Wyatt, take my iPad. He started it.
Can you finish it? Yeah. You put this on your eye, get yourself cleaned up.
Yes, sir.
You run into a wall.
Brewster said he just kicked Wyatt's ass.
Reminds me of you when you were young. You never met a kid you didn't want to hit.
Yeah. Only because I knew my big brother had my back. Except for that one time. Like those Korean boys beat down.
Now I was trying to teach you.
He's such a good looking boy. Such a good looking